Well, hello guys. I'm going to start offering perks for all those who join my channel. The first perk will be I will be running channel links on my live streams for 1 week. The following perks will be getting to those that help me out more and more. I will be giving merch away. Then my final perk will be I will feature a one whole live stream any person who joins my channel. That being said, there are three perks here. First is I'm going to run a link to anybody that first joins my channel by hitting the join button. Also, I will be the next one. I will feature their channel for 1 week, and I will rotate. So depending on how many people do this, then the third channel I will be giving merch away to help out. So keep that in mind. Come on over and hang out with me. And like I said, I've been I started my channel about March of 2019 with 3 people on it, and three little videos, nothing special. Now I am over 1,360 people on here, and my channel is now monetized. So it's time to move onward and upward. And I'm sorry, I don't have no green screen run right now to do this. This is a quick video. Come on, hang out with me and learn more. Bye bye.